iConsulting is an exchange portal between companies and freelancers. According to the needs of the companies, we put them in contact with the best skills in the matter. Each project is treated with care. We focus our efforts on optimizing interventions, know-how and performance. For companies, iConsulting is an internet portal that groups together several freelance profiles in very diverse professions, communication, marketing, social networks, etc. The essential advantages of working with iConsulting are: best performance at your disposal. You will no longer waste your time looking for providers and can only reference iConsulting as a provider to work with all freelancers. Significant savings in payroll taxes. You will no longer be forced to recruit experts to carry out your projects. We deal with ad hoc, medium and long-term assignments. Find in a few clicks all the professionals who will participate in your missions according to the criteria that matter to you. You can build your teams and simplify your procedures in order to have a wide range of skills and expertise gathered in the same workspace. For freelancer, iConsulting provides you with commercial prospecting equivalent to your know-how. Our knowledge of the market and companies allows us to provide you with commercial support. Companies contact us to benefit from your expertise and skills. You save time on canvassing and limit your prospecting needs. Freelance professionals, remote workers and small to medium enterprises need a community with a collaborative spirit. Customers also often benefit from professional services such as consulting. Co-working is becoming popular for larger companies, taking a different form that emphasizes flexible, shared services in space rather than a commune.